Welcome back to another Doki Doki drawing video. I'm here with Tony.
Tony.
We have been thinking about this video for a very long time, but Tony doesn't actually know what the video is.
Not a clue.
Today's challenge, if you choose to accept it, draw a straight line.
Yo. Hold up. That's kind of hard. Are we using Clip Studio or Photoshop wizardry? Or are we just going straight line?
Oh, no. Okay, yeah. It's not that deep. It's not like, how well can you draw a straight line without tools? Any tool you want. How to draw a straight line.
Any tool? And then I've already won. I know all the shortcuts.
I'm going to go first, if I may.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and get ready for how to draw a straight line. Are you ready for this?
No.
Choose the pencil. That's the brush. Choose the pencil tool.
Okay.
Use your finger.
Okay.
Hold the shift button.
Yeah.
Straight line!
I don't want to disappoint you, but that's what I was going to do too.
Well, you're going to have to find some other way.
No.
Wait, do you actually not know any other ways to draw a straight line?
That's how I do it. That's how I legit do it.
Do you genuinely not know how to draw any other straight lines?
Wait, should I take my pen out too? Hold up.
Well, no. We're going to end this video and we're going to start your
video.
So there you have it. That's how you draw a straight line using the shift key. Thank you. Remember to comment, like,
wait a second. Wait, hold up.
Subscribe.
How do I get the hard videos? This is not fair.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe, follow the Twitter. There's a link to Tony's channel, and yeah, see you later. Bye.
No. This is the worst.